Good morning from Arizona. I'm just out for a quick little 1 or 2 hour hunt today. I just had to get out of the house and see about getting a nugget or two. I've been getting out on and off, but a lot of you are probably wondering why you haven't been seeing as many videos from me lately. And we've had some health issues around the house, and I've been helping Tammy out with it. And I think we about got everything figured out now to where we can get back at it like we usually do. And today I got the other wonder dog with me. That would be Dixie, the wonder dog. And she likes to go hunt too with Daddy. So she's out with me today. And Bruno's at home with his mom. But we're gonna hunt this little area right in here. This has been dry washed pretty heavily by the old timers. And I'm gonna be using the GPX 6000 today. And hopefully get a nugget or two. So without further ado, let's get at it. I don't have very much time. Well, we've got a pretty decent sounding target right here under this Palo Verde tree. And remember, pinpointing on this machine is right around here, this area here, all the way around. It's a mono coil. And right now I'm hunting in manual 7 with the threshold. This is very shallow. I don't think it's going to take much digging to get to this fella. Nope, we got it. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, and my fat little hand. I don't see anything shiny. Uh-oh. Yep. Just another piece of junk. I can tell what it is. Not iron. Sure, it may be iron. I don't know, but junk. Part of the game. Off we go. Well, I've already scraped the top of this one off with my pick. So I don't like bending over a lot. That's why I carry these long handle picks. It's because it's, yeah, the older I get, the harder it seems to get back up off the darn ground. But I thought I just had a hot rock here, but where'd it go? Sounds like there's an actual target here. It's pretty hard dirt right in the road. All right, removed it. It was a hot rock. Yep, this fella right here. No, this little piece of basalt or andesite, andesitic basalt, I think you'd call it. But I know Jeff Williams, one of them guys, could correct me on that, but these are hot on every machine I've ever owned. And they tricked me a lot. Off we go. Okay, another target right here where everybody parks. I already scraped the top. I thought it was going to be another gray hot rock, but this one right here, it wasn't. Something pretty small right about here. still in there. Yeah, it's moving around a lot. You know what that might mean. Check this, number one. Nope. Okay, I moved it is what happened. It's right here. Yep, we got it. Okay. Now this is just what I was talking about the dirt. It's in there. It's just really hard to hear. It's tiny. I think it's in there. Yep, there it is. There it is. Let's see what we got. You don't see anything gold. Okay, whatever it is, it's in this little pile of stuff. Could be one of these two rocks. Nope. It's still in the scoop. And that's all that's left in this scoop. Okay, it's on the coil. Right there, that little bitty piece of wire. Yep, right there. Unreal. Yep, a lot of work for a lot of wire. Well, here we have a target right in somebody's boot print. You can see a footprint right there. They had a square pattern on the heel, on the front. Looked like military style boots of some kind. I don't know. But somebody walked right over this target. Maybe moving too fast and never heard it. Who knows? Well, small and shallow. Most of them here are. A lot of it, gold here you find is these little smooth, little round pieces. And a lot of them look just alike. There were some big ones here at one time, but most of those have been dug up a long time ago. Right there. Deeper, I guess. Uh-oh, got a hot rock. Still there, there's a big gray rock. That's never a good sign. Okay, close your eyes. Okay, good, it's not the rock. Target's still there. This is right here. Hard dirt. I thought I saw a nugget laying there. It's a piece of rock. And the machine says it's right here. I might have to get the pick out. This stuff's getting really hard. Oh, we got it. Okay. Whew. Got a helicopter coming over. And it caused me a little interference. Okay, this big stuff off the top. Still in here. Okay. I heard it hit the scoop. I can see it. I can see it right there. Oh. Right there. See it? I think. Yep. Hey there. Right there. This is a dirty little flat, roundish piece of Santa Mingo gold. You know what? All these little ones add up, guys. You can be one of them fellers that laughs about people finding these smaller ones. But I'll tell you what, at the end of the year, when you got several jars full of these, sure beats just one or two of the bigger ones that everybody wants. We all want to find those great big ones. You know, we all want those big 2 and 3 ounce pieces. But, you know, this nugget machines have been around a long time now, 30 plus years. And so the detector companies are coming out with machines that are here better and deeper on the smaller stuff. And this 6,000 is pretty impressive. That thing was down there in that hard packed clay quite a ways. I guess from where I'd started digging at the top, it's down several inches. Just such a little piece. And remember, always recheck your hole. Because there's been more than one time when I found 2 of them in the same hole. Yeah. There's Dixie. What are you up to, girl? Sniffing around. She's a little better behaved than Bruno when we're out on these trips. Bruno tends to run off a lot, and Dixie stays right beside me most of the time. Off we go. Okie dokie, one more target here. Up under that tree. We're gonna drag this one out with a pick a little bit before I get back in there. Make sure there's no surprises waiting under there. Huh. I moved it already. Where's the camera? Sounds like there's something still in there. Now sometimes this machine and other pulse induction machines will actually hear tree roots. They have enough minerals in them, especially like barrel cactus or saguaros. I don't know what I'm hearing here. Okay, there's definitely a target there. Most definitely. And now there isn't. figure out where to drug it to. Here further. Right there. Yippee-yi-yo. Right there. Okay. You can hear it in there. It's hard not to scratch that plastic. I know it's annoying, but it's part of the game. Still in there. Not very big. Sounded bigger at first. Must have been right on the surface. You hear it pretty good now. What are you? Okay, it's in my hand. Yep, bullet shard it looks like. That'll piece off a bullet. See it right there, that gray thing. That little guy right there, making all that racket. Well, I'm running out of time, folks. I'm gonna hunt a little bit more here, and then Dixie Lee and I got to get back to the house, run into town. So I just had to get out for a little bit. And Tammy's starting to feel good now, and we're gonna get back at it together here pretty quick. I'm sure waiting on that. It's been kind of weird without her out here hunting with me. From Dixie Lee and the Nugget shooter. See you next time in the gold fields. Nugget shooter out.